Are other users on your Wi-Fi using too much internet speed? In this video, I'll show you how to control and limit bandwidth speed on the Netis WF2409E router easily. You can set speed limits for specific devices, manage internet usage, and improve your overall Wi-Fi performance for gaming, streaming, and browsing. First, open your web browser on your computer and type 192.168.1 router IP address into the address bar. Then log in using your router password. After entering the Netis router dashboard, go to the networking device section. Now, I'll show you how to enable bandwidth control and set download and upload speed limits for connected devices. You can control internet speed for mobile phones, laptops, smart TVs, or any device connected to your Wi-Fi network. For this, find your device and click on speed limit option. Now, set uplink internet speed in kilobyte per seconds. Now set downlink internet speed in kilobyte per seconds. Then click OK. Next, I'll test the internet speed on my mobile phone using a speed test app so you can clearly see the difference before and after applying the speed limit settings. This method is very useful if someone is downloading large files, watching HD videos, or slowing down your internet connection. By using bandwidth control and the Netis WF2409E router, you can make your internet more stable and balanced for everyone. Watch the full tutorial carefully and follow each step to successfully manage Wi-Fi speed on your router. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more router and networking tutorial.